critical review is a process of critical evaluation of a written work, book, article, film or other work of art. In a critical review, readers or viewers are asked to carry out an in-depth analysis of the work by identifying strengths and weaknesses, presenting the arguments presented, and concluding whether the work succeeds in achieving its objectives. The purpose of a critical review is to provide a deeper understanding of a work, develop a critical view of it, and convey an opinion or evaluation based on rational analysis. In critical reviews, readers or viewers are expected to be able to see more than just what is shown or written on the surface, and explore the meaning, themes, and messages contained behind the work. The critical review process includes critical analysis skills, careful reading skills, and the ability to compose strong arguments based on evidence and facts. By conducting critical reviews, readers or viewers can develop critical thinking skills, hone evaluation skills, and deepen understanding of a particular work or topic. Critical review has several important functions, including 1. Developing analytical skills. Critical reviews help readers or viewers develop critical analysis skills towards a work. By considering the strengths and weaknesses, arguments, and messages presented in the work, readers can improve their ability to carry out in-depth evaluations. 2. Provides a critical perspective. Critical reviews provide a critical perspective on a work, which can help readers or viewers to see more than what is shown on the surface. With an analytical approach, readers can better understand the meaning, theme, or message the author of the work wants to convey. 3. Improving critical thinking skills. Through critical reviews, readers are invited to think critically, evaluate information, and compose strong arguments based on rational assessment. This helps readers or viewers hone critical and analytical thinking skills in forming opinions or evaluations of a work. 4. Providing feedback. The critical review function also includes providing feedback to the author or creator of the work. Through critical and constructive evaluation, critical reviews can provide valuable information to creators of works to improve, develop, or enrich their works in the future. 5. Helping readers understand and interpret the work. By conducting a critical review, readers or viewers of the work have the opportunity to better understand and interpret the work in more depth. This can help broaden horizons, deepen understanding, and enrich the reader's reading or viewing experience. Thus, the function of critical review is very important in developing critical understanding, conveying in-depth perspectives, and providing useful feedback for readers, viewers, or authors of the work. The following are the general stages in making a critical review. 1. Understanding the work. The first stage in making a critical review is to understand the work that will be reviewed thoroughly. Read or watch the work carefully, paying attention to important elements such as theme, argument, characters, plot, or techniques used. 2. In-depth analysis. After understanding the work, conduct an in-depth analysis of various aspects of the work. Review the strengths and weaknesses of the work, evaluate the arguments presented, and pay attention to the message or meaning the author wants to convey. 3. Determining approach. Determine the approach or point of view that will be used in making the critical review. Will you focus on analyzing the plot, characters, themes, or other aspects of the work? Choose an approach that suits your review goals. 4. Structure your critical review in a clear and structured manner. Prepare an outline of the main points you want to discuss, including introduction, analysis. 5. Writing. Start writing your critical review with an introduction that introduces the work to be reviewed, then continue with an in-depth analysis based on your chosen approach. Discuss the strengths and weaknesses of the work, review the arguments and messages presented, and include concrete examples to support your opinion. 6. Evaluation and reflection. After writing your analysis, evaluate the review. Check whether the information presented is informative enough and the analysis is critical. Reflect on your point of view and make sure the conclusions you draw are supported by strong arguments. 7. Editing and revision. Finally, edit and revise your critical review to ensure that the grammar, spelling, and structure of the writing are good. Check again for suitability with the goals and approaches you have previously determined. By following the steps above, you can create an informative, critical, and in-depth critical review of the work you are reviewing.